Hey, always guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be reacting to a Rev Battle video with cars. And if you like this video, like, subscribe, turn notifications on, comment down what's next to the video. So you'll right into the video.
Alrighty, how's it going, guys? Chris here with the Supercar Suspects. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Today we are here at the Origin Kazoku Irwindale Takeover, where they got the donor pit going, they got the drag strip going. I've been waiting in line for 45 minutes to park, and as you guys can tell, the parking has overflowed into the racetrack over here. Ladies and gentlemen, as you guys take a look behind me, we got about an hour or so of sunlight left, and what I'm gonna do here, I haven't done it in a very, very long time. I'm gonna walk through every row of cars here, show you guys all the cool builds I can find. Alright, we got a Hot Wheels, Superman. I don't know. Seems like I've ran into the JDM section over here. Beautiful R33 GTR sitting next to the Need for Speed E46 M3, sitting next to a beautiful wide body FDRX7. This thing caught the corner of my eye. I had to immediately come check it out. C8 Corvette. I don't even know what the fuck kind of kit this is on it, but it is by far the hardest C8 I've probably ever seen in my life. I'm sure you guys all remember this 570S with an absolutely insane wrap on it. I've never seen it done before. Super, super sick. Right behind it, a camouflage looking Camaro. And if you take a look over here, my two dream cars back to back. The SV by far my number one dream car, and right next to it, the wide body 458. This thing is absolutely fucking ridiculous. It is a Huracan with a completely forged carbon fiber front end. If I had to pick one car out of this entire lot, you guys are looking at it right here, the SVJ. Obviously, you guys know I love the SV, and this thing's just better in every way. And for some reason, the 600 LTs have been out for quite a while now. I just seem to see more SVJs than this car. Oh my god, guys, take a look at this thing. The RX-8. Fun fact, my dad actually used to have one of these RX-8s. It got lemon. And this is a wildly spec'd Huracan. Blue exterior with the orange trim on the inside. Drop your opinions in the comments. Do we do a vinyl wrap with the livery on the IS300? What do you guys think? Alright, we got Scooter God here. Let's see some crazy shit. Oh, fuck this guy. Nasty, dude. The double heel. Oh, yeah.
Oh, damn it. You
He's
see
got
this?
the medium
Yeah,
pass,
hey.
baby.
I'm going to plug Chris with this media pass. I'm going to give him this cute little vest.
Don't get up close.
Yeah, all close and personal and get lit up by this two-step.
Give me one more. Jesus. Ladies and gentlemen, the main reason I came here is the two-step competition, and it's about to go down. Check out the Drift C6. We got a Supra pulling in for the two-step over here. Sounds fucking ridiculous. Guys, the sun has went down. The crowd is completely full over here, and Troy's been waiting in line for about an hour to do some donuts, so it's time to shine. Guys, this is about to be the craziest two-step competition of all time right here. The first two contestants. FRS is taking round one. Who's this with the
Jesse
Corvette?
Rougier, he's a NASCAR driver. This thing is insane. The first time I heard this car, it blew my eardrums out.
Okay.
Oh my
Alright, the Mustang stays.
We got a Sentra going on.
We got the Sentra about to fuck shit up right now.